Hello everyone, welcome back to this new video on this channel. In this guide video, I'm going to walk you through on how to activate your Capital One credit card online. If this is something that you want to learn today, then make sure you stick till the end and let's get right into it. First of all, open up your web browser and search for Capital One credit card activation. Once you do, these results will open up. You'll need to click on the first link which says activate credit card. Once you do, it's going to take you to the official website of Capital One. Now through this section, you'll have an option or a button of activate a new card online. Just click on it. Now in order to activate your card, you must have an online banking of Capital One. If you do have an online banking account, you can click on sign in and activate, and this way you can easily sign into your Capital One online account and then activate your card. But however, if you don't have an online banking of Capital One, you can click on enroll and activate. Type in your last name that you've added in while creating an account of Capital One. Type in your social security number, or you can also choose to type in your bank number instead by clicking on bank account number, and you can type in your bank account number. And lastly, you need to type in your date of birth. Make sure that these information are correct, and you can click on get started and register for online banking. Once you are registered and have an online account, you will be able to easily log in and activate your credit card of Capital One. So that was the video on how to activate credit card of Capital One. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and also hit that notification bell so you get notified for more informative videos just like this. That's pretty much it for today. I'll see you guys in the next one.